welcome back to my channel. And I hope you were able to catch my last video, and with my channel in general, with a few videos that I have up, and I hope to have more content coming up. So I wanted to talk about something that has been very controversial lately, which is about baby food. There has been an article that was published in early February about there being toxic metals in baby food produced by these major companies, and more metals than what a baby's body can tolerate. I've also read that these articles come out every single year. I just became a mom in 2020, so I'm catching up with these things. I am a person that I try my best to give my daughter organic things. I give her only fruits, vegetables, poultry, and baby snacks. I do not give her things that my husband and I eat, which I know BLW, baby led weaning, is a thing. It wasn't for us, which I did look into. I was excited to try, but the pediatrician said it was best if we stuck to just giving her baby food, things appropriate for her age, because she may have eat something that she'll be allergic to or will cause her food poisoning. So when she said food poisoning, I'm like, nope, not happening. She gave us a paper with a list of things that she could and couldn't have. And so just to stay safe and have that peace of mind, and right now is not the time to be going to the hospital. So I mean, it never is, but with the pandemic going on, we're not trying to be in the hospital taking turns with our baby. I'd rather play it safe if I know that I can. And I have made my own baby food at home, not religiously, but I have. And whenever I run out, honestly, I go to a jar. My daughter does attend school, daycare, since she was 2.5 months, and I take jar food because it's the easiest. Not that taking homemade food is not, but it's what's easier accessible to me, time-wise and everything, and I have it as a backup. Now if she has anything made, absolutely I will feed that to her before a jarred food. So with everything going on, a lot of moms, I'm part of many mom groups. I'm actually a moderator of a group, and I see a lot of moms talking about that right now. Many moms have gone out and bought baby bullets, food processors, and storage containers to store their baby food, because this has created another worry for moms. And a lot of us, like first-time parents, where we don't know what to believe. Sometimes someone with like their 4th child, they're like, they'll be fine, you just give them a Cheeto. Everything is different nowadays. So yeah, and I have the baby bullet. We were gifted this awesome bullet, and it works great, but I feel like it works better with food. I'm sorry, not food, the food. But it works better with fruit, because fruit is softer. It tends to be more on the watery side, and when it comes to vegetables, you have to, I feel like, really boil them, and in order for it to actually make it into a puree. So now I do use the water that I boiled it in to puree it and soften it in the bullet. And you can't have it running longer than for a minute at a time, because the motor can overheat. It's small, so its job is to do small batches of food. And although it comes with 6 little containers to store the food, plus a date dial where you can put when you made the food, that all that stuff is awesome. And it has a separate, aside from the actual container where you can like break down the food and puree it, it has a separate little attachment cup where you can attach the blade to and puree it. The reason why I'm not showing it to you guys is because I'm in my room, it's in my kitchen, and that's a lot of stuff to bring. But I did bring this, and this is part of the baby bullet. This is a 6-compartment silicone tray, which you can freeze. Frozen food, freshly made, is good for 3 months. Anything you make and leave in the fridge, no more than 4 days. But you do what works for you. I personally try to feed within 3 days, and if I need to defrost anything, I take it out from here. This is great but I don't like the smell of it. I don't know. It's just, even from when I opened it, it's not the residual of the food or anything like that. And I use dish soap, and I don't use my dishwasher, so I wash everything by hand. And I don't know, it just has like this rubbery smell. And then it comes with the cap to close it, but I feel like they still catch like freezer burn on the top. I don't know, I see like little icicles and stuff, and I seal it completely all the way. I make sure that there's like no creaks or crevices or anything where freezer burn can happen. It's not all the way in the back of my freezer or anything. So I don't know, but I still use it anyways, because I mean, it came with the equipment, and when I need to make food, I'm gonna use it. But aside from that, I bought these Baby Move with Mums baby bowls on Amazon for $7.99. My husband and I had done some research on containers that we can freeze and things like that, and I saw the brands for like $15. I honestly don't want to spend that much on containers. Yes, when it comes to my daughter, I do everything and anything that I have to do to make sure that she's safe, but she's also going to be a year old in April. Granted, she does eat solids using her hands. I do give her little pieces of chicken, of broccoli, green beans, carrots, watermelon, banana, and things like that. So she's not going to use these containers forever. And yes, I can use them for like little snacks on the go and things like that. So yeah, they're functional in more than one way to me. But let's open it. It's the first time that I'm unboxing. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 6 lids. So we have a total of 6 lids, and it's matte right here, so you can write the name of the child if they're in school or in a daycare and things like that, and you can write the content of it with a Sharpie or like a waterproof tag, which they sell on Amazon as well. And I would just use a magic eraser to take it off if I wrote on Sharpie with this, but the most I would do is just write her name on it, if anything. And you know, when it comes to the ingredients on the inside, I'll just, you know, tell the person what it is, her teacher. So it comes with 6 of these, decent in size. They have a measuring system. Not sure if you guys can see that there. And it also has the ounces on it. So it goes up to 6 ounces. They're pretty deep. And as we can see, they are freezer safe. So the max temperature hot temperature that it can deal with is 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually very hot. So that's very good. They're microwavable, and this is important. The triangle with the number 5, that means BPA free. Anything below a 5 in the triangle is no good. So I learned that in chemistry, like my second year of college. So 5 and up is very good. And then I don't know what these mean, if anybody knows what they mean, but yeah, and they're dishwasher safe. So I'm very pleased with these. My daughter does eat a lot, so I'm glad that I found something where I can fill without having limitation, because these are small. These are only 4 ounces, more or less. For about 4 ounces of food fit in here. And this is 4 ounces here. But of course, look how wide this is. Like, this is awesome. And you have to take into account that when you freeze food, because of the moisture in it, it's gonna expand. So you don't want to fill something all the way to the top, and it's not gonna close correctly. It's gonna freeze against the lid. You don't want to have any of that. So with that being said, these are really awesome, and I'm going to attach the link below if you guys are interested. It has instructions in different languages, in French, English, Dutch, and Spanish, Portuguese, And to be honest with you, I don't know what other, Russian, German. Okay, so it's very good. Let's see. Those are the instructions in English right here. So I think these are awesome. They're made in France. So yeah, I'm gonna give these a try this week. We gotta go food shopping, and I cannot wait to make more veggies for her and things like that, because I'm so grateful that my daughter eats everything, like everything, all fruits, all vegetables. Haven't tried tomato yet, but we'll wait for that one a little longer, since it is an allergen age-wise and all that stuff. So far she has taken food very well, and I'm thrilled about that. And remember, if there's a fruit or vegetable that your baby doesn't take, give it time. Maybe not that month, try again next month. You never know, they might end up liking it. And oddly enough, my daughter will not eat my homemade green beans, but she'll eat the jarred ones. Go figure. But I could put green beans in her other vegetable mixes, so at least I know she's getting a mixture of that in there as well if I wanted to give her that. But yeah, guys, that's all for today. That is what I have for content, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the following video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share, please. I'm not too big on this YouTube world, but I hope to be able to share with you guys my experiences as a mommy, as a first-time mommy. A lot of us don't know how to do many things because we're scared of doing things a certain way. Your way is the best way, because no one knows your baby better than you. So yeah, I hope to keep coming out with more content for first-time mommies and reoccurring mommies that haven't done this in a long time and are looking for new things. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it.